The Leica Disto X6, with its extremely robust housing, guarantees reliable measurements even under the toughest construction site conditions. With the digital point finder, you can measure up to 40 times further than you can see the laser dot with the naked eye in bright sunlight. The large touchscreen enables fast and intuitive operation. You can save 300 measurement results on the Disto and download them in the office via the USB interface for further processing. The additional side-mounted lateral measuring button guarantees ergonomic operation in any measuring situation. Intelligent sensors of the Leica Disto DST360X adapter, together with the Disto X6, enable the measurement of distances between points, lines, or even complete measurements in 2D and 3D. The target can be aimed precisely using fine adjustment. With the Leica Disto Plan app, measurement results can be easily documented and visualized in 2D or 3D. The data can be sent directly to the CAD in the office for further processing. The P2P technology is therefore a safe and efficient measurement method when it comes to complex measurement situations. Rubber components protect during drop tests from heights up to 2 meters. The unit has an IP65 protection rating, certifying it is specially sealed against water and dust. The scratch-resistant color display with IPS technology shows the target clearly. Leica Disto X6. Make measuring easier. Use the original.